Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Here today now we're going to put CIVIC stickers on these door entranceways. I don't know what to call it. This is my daughter's car. You guys have seen her before in a lot of videos. She's been the camera girl. A little bit now today too. This is her car. Anti-social. You guys have seen this Honda Civic on the channel. I put it on, put her summer tires on for her. Still haven't got it the clear coat on it yet. And I told you guys I repainted, sanded down and repainted the roof of the car because the clear coat was completely off. And we done a few things with it. She put a nice little fart can on it. As you can see, you get a good look at it. And you know, she put her Civic steering wheel cover, her seats, a lot of things she wants to do with it. And now she's a little bit, okay, hold on guys, she's gonna start it up. I'll let you hear her fart can. So she's gonna give it a little start now. It's warmed up, so it's not gonna be loud. A little bit afraid because she parked a little bit too close. She parked a little bit too close to my 350. So she's gonna back it up a bit. There you go. Still coming, guys. Just been busy. Still coming. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. People are asking me to sell those headers. Don't know. I think I might want to keep them, hang them in the garage. So the first thing we're going to do with this is, I think we're going to put Faith to work. So she's going to clean all this up. So it'll be nice and clean when she puts the stickers on it. Do you want me to help you, or you know what you're doing? See that, guys? Doesn't that look cool? And it fits perfectly because she got it on the Jungle Webs, the Google Webs, the Amazons. So we know it's good quality. And she's gonna peel that sticker off now. And that'll be the first one. Which I move over here. Stay there. This is going to be my. Stop your hand. So guys, that's her first one done. I think that looks pretty decent, pretty cool. Matches the car nice, matches her seats, Matches her steering wheel. She's going for that red and black look on everything, so that's pretty decent. Okay, so we'll go to the other side. Okay, now she's going to start cleaning on the driver's side. And now she's lining it up, getting ready to peel the backing off so she can stick the other one. She's doing that a smart way. She put it down, lined it up, stuck it on the front, and then finished continuing to peel it off from the back, which I think is a pretty smart idea. Look at that, guys. So now she has the driver's side on. And I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna back the car in for her. Listen, she's a good driver, okay? She's 100% perfect driver. I couldn't be more proud of her. But I'm gonna back the car in for her because she's not used to the narrow ways of coming in the garage. So I'm gonna back the car in because I got the 350 in the way, so I couldn't get the full car in the garage. So I'm gonna back it in so she can get at the back doors and do the back. So you guys get to see me drive a Honda Civic. I'm hoping that this engine don't notice this, because it might not work. If it do, I'll get in, what is this, a 0.2 engine?
Check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me.
And guys, she's right into cars too, which makes me even happy. Happy.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a snapshot. Oh, my baby told her rub me like I'm Epcot.
My back door is actually smaller than this, so I'm gonna have her like curve up.
That's for sure, if it's show. That was never talk about money. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting and scheming, how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag. No mirrors, those foo-foo, I can see the tag. You could bet if I spending this cause I get it back. I'm 5G, you dollar, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league, I found other ways to let me ball. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on coming in. Turn a 10-piece to a 20 quick. I got money.
Okay, so guys, she got the back one in. So just letting you guys know, if you're on the Civic and if you order these from the Google webs, this one here, she had to try to curve it a little bit because of the way this panel is, and these are for on the Civics, but she had to put a little curve on it, which she did a perfect job, right? So the front ones are 100% perfect, but the rear ones, you have to put a little curve on it to make it equal with this line going up through. Because if you were to put it on flush there, this wouldn't be equal and kind of look funny. But she figured out a way to do it. She put a little curve in it as she stuck it on.
The corners were stuck off on the edge of it.
Yes, that's right.
So I had to curve it.
So that one looks good. So that's number 3. 1, 2, 3. So that tells me with my education, 1 left.
Look guys, you ever wonder how you get these shots sometimes? This is what I do. This is some of the things I do, guys, so you guys can get to see. I clipped it onto the door latch, aimed the camera so it was pointing down at the latch. Most YouTubers don't show you that stuff. I do. And this one now is already... See now guys, when I put this camera here, it's already preset for her to do her work.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leave. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time and in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah.
See how she's
Go
bending
against
it?
the tribe, you lose your...
To get it to follow that outer edge line.
I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Niggas want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves and still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On a vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib and show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need to flex up. I need to check. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib and show love. Hey, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga. We look at the drip, my nigga. We ran shit all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming that they know my songs. I tell them
So guys, she has all the stickers on. We'll take a walk around. There's her passenger side sticker, Civic. There's your rear back seat sticker, Civic. And there's the other one in the driver's side. So she has them all done, which is pretty cool. Do you like it?
I do.
Yeah? You think cool? Okay.
Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib and show love. Next up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Next up. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib and show love.
Okay guys, so now we got it in the garage. We're going to get it looked at because she's hearing a little rattle somewhere in her exhaust. And we found the little rattle up right here. So let me get the camera. Right here is her little rattle. You see that little gap? It's hitting off the pipe. And that's where she's getting the rattle. So we're going to get that fixed. And he doesn't want to be in the camera. He's camera shy, so we can't show him doing that. So here we are up on the ramp. And she has a life of luxury because she's sitting inside the car. Life of luxury. So there you go. We're getting that fixed. Okay guys, so that's it for the Honda Civic. She has her stickers on, she's all happy. I'm happy, she's happy. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave me a like and a subscribe, just down from her head. And don't forget guys, you can get merch too, right down there. All right, Southside Boy Styles out.